Okay, folks, we're boarding the Pocahontas, James River Ferry.
In 600
Cross.
feet, take the Jamestown, Scotland ferry to Surrey.
There you go. Thank you to my GPS, so y'all can see what it looks like when we get on the ferry.
Take the Jamestown, Scotland ferry to Surrey.
So this is actually a smaller ferry. I don't see the bathroom in here. They normally have a second deck for the bathroom. But, well, you shall see.
Continue
yeah,
on Jamestown,
they do
Scotland
have it.
for 3 miles.
I'm gonna so we're connecting now. And so I'm gonna go use the bathroom since I've been holding it in for a couple of minutes, almost an hour actually. Alright, so anyway folks, this is what the Jamestown Fair looks like. And I'm gonna try to use the bathroom real quick. Get out and use the bathroom. Anyway, they're still loading some people in. Let me go use the bathroom real quick, if that's okay. So yeah, anyway, this is what it all looks like. The steps. And basically, bathroom is over here. So this is actually a smaller craft. But I thought I'd just let you guys see what it looks like here. I'm gonna make this video a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna make part 3 and 4 most likely of this video, just because I'm gonna need to use the bathroom and cut it off. But anyway, thank you for joining me. Take care.